Role of HR in improving business capabilities. Preemptive recruitment and selection. Introduction. Established as Watson India 1966. Watson merged with Thermax and Thermax Ltd was formed 1980. Thermax is a public company and is traded as BSE and NSE. It is an energy and environmental engineering industry. It was founded in 1980 and its headquarters is in Pune, India. Its areas is served worldwide over 75 countries. Thermax was also a brand name for horizontal boilers manufactured by Ruston and Hornsby. Structure. It has 4 main offices. Thermax, Europe, Limited is based in Fenny Stratford, Milton Keynes in England. Thermax Incorporated, based in Northville, Michigan, USA. Competitors: Wärtsilä, PowerMech, ENMS India, ISCO. Power Division. Thermax Power Division, to its credit, has commissioned over 100 different projects in India and abroad. Small Power Plant, SPP, Group. Medium Power Plant, MPP, Group. Large Power Plant, LPP, Group. Customers' benefits. Single point responsibility for time, cost and quality. Effective solutions for cogeneration and power generation. Operations and Maintenance. The Operations and Maintenance (O&M) group of Thermax Power is expanding its client list as more industries outsource the function to focus on their core areas. The group is now servicing 13 captive plants comprising 19 units. Thermax Power O&M services offerings: technical skilled and competent manpower, other expert services, benefits from Thermax O&M, operations and maintenance, services for power plants, fixed costs, guaranteed availability of power. Recruitment and selection. Recruitment, the process of finding and hiring the best qualified candidate for a job opening, in a timely and cost-effective manner. Selection. Selection is the process of selecting a qualified person who can successfully do a job and deliver valuable contributions to the organization. Preemptive recruitment and selection. Preemptive recruitment and selection are the most important aspect that is being taken place in an organization. Process of preemptive recruitment and selection. Source appropriate CVs. Initial telephonic discussion. Scheduling interviews. Sending JD. Coordinating the interviews. On the date of interview, following up with the candidate, get the details.